brand, take it to some new heights. Get it on and popping from the day to the night. Digital marketing to have your mind blown. Give your brand what it needs to make it well known. Branding tools to help you reach success. Build your business so it can be the best. Making money online without the stress. Tell her your goals and she gon' handle the rest. Nancy Badillo, social media maven. Giving your brand everything it's craving. E-commerce and blogging, got it covered.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com, and welcome to another Etsy tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you could grow your Etsy email list and how you could do it even if you don't currently have a blog or website. So let's go ahead and get started. So you probably heard the saying, right? The money is in the list. Some people also say the fortune is in the follow-up. And it is very, very true. It is cheaper to retain a customer than acquire a new customer. And this is why growing your Etsy email list is one of the most effective marketing techniques you will ever do in any type of business, whether you have an Etsy store, you have an Amazon store like I do, or you have a blog. It's important that you get emails. And I know that with Etsy, it can be quite difficult trying to figure out how am I going to collect emails. Because as a seller, you're not supposed to solicit someone's email or let's say grab their email from orders and add it automatically to a newsletter. So don't do that. However, there are other ways that you could collect emails without getting in trouble and without even having a blog. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about that today. I will go over a strategy that many top prominent Etsy shops are currently doing, but no one really talks about. Also keep in mind, like I said, you don't need a blog to get this started, and it's also free to get started. So the company I'm going to refer you to, if you have under 1,000 subscribers, is free to sign up, so you don't have to pay anything. You know, the first thing that I want to talk about is that you have to have an incentive for that person to exchange their email with you. So I found that offering a 10% off their purchase, you could do 10%, you could do 15%, 30%, whatever you prefer, for an exchange of their email. And this has been like an effective method. I use this for a lot of my clients on Etsy. I've used it for my previous shop. The one right now on the screen is my newest shop. I just opened the shop about a week and a half ago. So basically, this is a strategy. I'm going to use it in this shop to kind of show you. All you have to do is add a call to action, which is something that I talk about a lot, at the last image. So this is a logo that I sell. And what I did was I added a call to action on the back of this. And it says, want 10% of your order, sign up for my newsletter to receive your instant coupon. Link below. I'm sorry about that. Link below in the listing description. The reason why I have a call to action and I have an image is because as you might know already as an Etsy seller, a lot of people actually don't read, unfortunately. So if you were to have this in the listing description by itself, the likelihood of someone seeing are a lot less than if you have a picture and then you have a call to action letting them know, hey, the link is below, click below to get that discount. So you want to make sure you have this image here. If you like this image, I'm going to leave you a link below. You could go to my blog, you could sign up to my newsletter, and I will send you the same image without the pink and without my branding on it. And you could use it for your own Etsy shop. And that way you don't have to create one from scratch. And I will leave the link below in this video. So once you have the image, let's say you upload the image, you would want to go to MailerLite. And I will leave the link below. So you go to MailerLite, you sign up, you register your account. You don't need, like I said, a website. So once you log in, you create an account. Remember, it's free. You don't pay anything. You will only pay in the future if you upgrade to any of their plans higher. Also, if you use the link, my link, you actually get a $20 credit for whenever you do upgrade. So that would be like an extra month that you get for free, basically. And their monthly plans are very cheap. They start from like $10 and they kind of go up in hierarchy, but they go up based on how many subscribers you have. So if you're under 1,000 subscribers or you don't have any, then you could just do their unlimited plan. It's free and you can set unlimited emails per month. You don't have to worry about worrying that they're going to cap you because you're sending too many emails. It doesn't work that way. It's unlimited. So the first thing you want to do is just sign up, do your username, your profile, your email, and so on. Once you do that, all you want to do is go to forms and it's going to automatically take you to pop-ups. You don't want to click there. You want to click on landing page because a pop-up will be one that you will use in the website, but we're not doing that today. So we're doing a landing page. In the landing page, you will create a new landing page and then you could name this whatever you want. So I'm going to put this as my new store. So Nancy Marketing Tools, and then I'm going to say 10% off. So then you save and continue. You just give it a name. No one's going to see that. That's just for you, so you could know those subscribers where they came from. So then you save and continue. You click and you save and continue. And it's going to take you to a page where it has these templates. The one that I used was this one here. And this is how the template looks after I did some changing it. So you click here, select. Let's say that's the one that you want. You could kind of play with them and kind of see which one works better for you. So you go in here, and what I did was I deleted this, and what you do is drop and drag. So let's say you want to put a image like I did. You take the image here. Oh, not that one, sorry. This one, image, and you put it where you want it at. So right here, you could put an image. So what I did was I took my logo from my shop. I dragged this to my screen. See? So I dragged it, and then I just uploaded it in here. So if you click on it, you could browse, which is what I did was I just selected it, uploaded image, took it from my screenshot, from my desktop, uploaded it to MailerLite, and then I put select, and then it comes up here. And then you could kind of play with it. This part is pretty simple. You're just going to put your message. I put, get your 10% off your first order. Thanks for your interest in my design. Sign up below to receive 10% discount for your order. So you could write that. You could put whatever you like. And then what you want to do is you just go back to, you click here. Oops, I'm sorry. You press save anytime that you want to go back to change anything. So here will be your message. You will put here, thanks for, so you could put thanks for showing interest, or thanks for stopping by. Sign up below to receive your 10% discount. So then get 10% off your first order. So that's the message, right? Let's say you want to leave it like this. You could kind of play with it. If you want to change the colors of anything, you go here. You could put register. You could change this and say sign up, whatever you want. But you could kind of play with it. Make sure that you save it before you proceed. So the success page is where you're going to put the code in. So what you want to do is you want to go to Etsy. You want to go to Shop Manager. And then what you would do is you will go to Marketing. And you will go to Sales and Coupons. And what you do here is that you're going to create a coupon. So you're going to put New Special. And I'm going to say Create Coupon. I'm going to put the percentage I want. So let's say you want to do 10%. You do that. You could select the order that qualifies, like if they have to have a certain amount of quantity, like things that they purchase. Order total, I put none. Whatever they buy, they get 10%. Then I put the duration. I did it for a year. So I'll start it today, and then I'll put like a year from now. You could do it to the end of the year, just in case you want to like switch things up. It's up to you pretty much. Just keep up with it in case that it does expire and you think that you still have it. And then here you put the name of the code. So you could put, I did thanks 10. And then you could do like percent if you wanted to. You could do that. And that's it. So once you do that, this is the code. This is the coupon right here. This right here. So you press continue. Oh, I did mine earlier, so it's telling me that I already did it. So let me just do 15% because I did one earlier for 10%. So here you go. So this is the code. So you save it. I guess you can't put on percentage. So you save it, and it's gonna ask you what listings you wanted to apply. I did it for all my listings. I really didn't care for what they purchased, to be honest. So I just went ahead and did it for all of them. I selected all my listings. So once you select all your listings, you'll see all of them will be with a 0 because that means that you selected everything from your shop. You press review and confirm. This is the link that you will share with people, or you could share the code. I shared the link because the nice thing about the link is that when they click on it, let's say somebody goes to your Etsy shop, they click on the link, and when they click on it, automatically the discount is applied at checkout. They don't have to put the code them manually. They can if they wanted to. That's the code right there. However, just using the link is applied automatically, so it's a lot quicker in my opinion, I feel. So then what you do is you go back to the builder, right? You copy that link. So you're going to copy this link here. You go back to builder, and so the landing page is what they're going to land. That's where, they're going to sign up here to get the coupon. Once they sign up here, they're going to get the success page. And the success page should have the code. It'll be like this. Let me show you real quick. So they sign up and they get the coupon right away. So it's going to say, thank you for joining my newsletter. Use the link below to receive your 10% discount. Please click on the link and the discount will be applied automatically on checkout. And then the link is there. So they click on the link. It takes them to your page. The discount is applied. They buy whatever they want. And that's it. That's all they have to do. One thing that I did forget to say is that when you have it here in your listing description, you want to make sure that you have something, either an emoji, little star, something to kind of like make it stand out. And you also want to make sure that you put copy and paste link on the URL. The reason why is because whenever you put a link here that's not Etsy related, it doesn't become a hyperlink. So they can't click on it. And this link here that I got here is from MailerLite. So once you're done doing this and you created your landing page, you created your success page where you put the code in here, almost like how I did mine's right here, that it says thank you for shop. Oh, you can't see it now, but it said thank you for shopping. Here's your coupon. Once you finish that, and this is where you will put your code from Etsy, the link that is clickable, and they get the percentage off. You're gonna put done editing, and you're gonna get an actual URL that you will share with people to subscribe, and that's how people know. But you have to name your URL. So what I did was I named mine like my Etsy shop. So let's say, because I already did one already, so I'm just gonna put my first name and last name. So this will be the name of your page. You fill this out. You don't necessarily have to. I didn't fill this out. I save it. And then what I do now is that this is the link that I share to people that you put down here on your listing description. This is this link here. So when somebody copies this, oops. So when they copy this and they paste it up here in the search box, that's all they have to do, and it takes them directly to my offer. So you don't need a website, you don't need a blog. All they do is copy the link and put it on the top. So all you have to do, the first step will be create your coupon, get your code. Once you have your code, go to MailerLite, go to forms, create the form, create the landing page, which is where they're gonna land to enter the email, create the message, which will have your coupon code so they could get the discount, and then go back to Etsy and put your new URL which is what you're going to put on the bottom of your listing, and which is what they're copying to get to sign up for your newsletter. If you ever want to check how many people you have, you go to subscribers and it's going to give you a list of subscribers. I just did that one right now. It automatically does it. I tried a couple of different things. This is really, really cool. And it automatically adds the person for you. So it's pretty simple process. If you have any questions about it, make sure you leave me a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help. Um, Hopefully this will help you retain the customers you currently have. You can market them, send them offers, promotions that you currently have. But this is a nice way you do it. You go in here, you add to every listing, you add the call to action. For every listing, you add the URL so they could sign up. And that's pretty much it. And that's just how you collect emails from Etsy. So I hope this tutorial came in handy. Make sure that you click on the link in the video to head over to my blog to get this image for free. And make sure that you click on the link to use my affiliate link for MailerLite. That way, one, is free, and two, if later on you do want to upgrade, you do get that credit of $20. So thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.